Here are 3 weight loss tips that don't include exercise. Number 1. Breakfast like a king, eat lunch like a prince, and dine like a pauper. This saying especially rings true if you want to lose weight. So it means eat the biggest part of your calories in the morning, then a big part at lunch, and a really small amount in the evening. Number 2. Prefer plant-based foods over animal products or processed foods, because whole plant-based foods have a generally lower calorie density than animal or processed foods. So you can eat huge amounts of foods, and thanks to the fiber it contains, you'll always feel sated, you never have to go hungry, and you'll still lose weight at the same time. Awesome, right? And number 3 is don't snack. Because if you're constantly eating something, your system never gets a break, and that's not very healthy and not good for losing weight. So if you still want to eat dessert, eat it right after a main course, and then it's much better than having a little break in between and getting your system started up once again. And if you want to eat a really healthy, delicious dessert, try one of our whole food plant-based dessert recipes that you find on our profile. See you next time!